Hello friends, so far we have seen how we can differentiate between instance methods and variables present in the parent and child class with the same name with the help of super keyword. So in this session we will take a look how to call parent class constructor with the help of super keyword. So first let's go through of this code. As you can see, I have added one constructor in our super class and I have printed non-parameterized constructor of super class, and in the super keyword class I haven't done any changes, simply created the object of our super keyword class and we have called display method. Let's execute our code to see the output. So it says non-parameterized constructor of superclass 20 and 10. So now you must be amazed, if you have seen this first time, how we are getting this non-parameterized constructor of superclass first. Then as we have printed this dot a in our display method, so it should be printed 20, and super dot a, so it should be printed 10. So now you must be amazed how we got this non-parameterized constructor, because we haven't called this constructor anywhere from our program. Okay, so now let me tell you, whenever you extends any superclass, when you compile your Java code, so Java compiler will add the constructor to every class like this. And inside of your constructor, if your class is extending any class, like our super keyword class is extending super class, so what it will do, it will simply write super keyword like this. So at the time of creating object for this super keyword class, it will call this particular constructor, and from this constructor it will call constructor of our parent class like this. So now after saving this code, if I will execute the code, you will see the exact same output which we got earlier. See, non-parameterized constructor of superclass, then 20, then 10. Okay, so now you must have got the idea, Java compiler will automatically add this particular constructor, and with the help of super keyword it will call it. But this time, as we have already written all this, and so the output will be more understandable, because now this time you will get to know how this particular line got printed first, then the output. Okay, so now you must be thinking, if everything is already taken care by Java, then why we should understand how we can call parent class constructor with the help of super keyword. Okay, so here is the situation. This time I wanted to initialize our super class instance variable with the help of constructor. So what I will do this time, I will simply create one parameterized constructor. Let me copy this, and inside of this constructor we will have one parameter called a. With the help of this keyword we will instantiate it. And so how we will call our parameterized constructor this time at the place of non-parameterized constructor, because this time our situation is we need to call this particular constructor. So earlier we have seen, if we will be required to call non-parameterized default constructor, that can be done automatically by Java compiler. But this time what you will have to do, you will have to write this constructor, and inside of this constructor you will have to use super keyword while passing the value what you wanted to assign to superclass instance variable. I have passed 100. So let's execute this code, so we will get to know. Okay, so as you can see, this time we called parameterized constructor of superclass. After that we got 20, as this dot a is 20, and we have overridden our superclass instance variable from 10 to 100 while using this super keyword. So now you must have got the idea, how you can handle your parent class constructors with the help of this super keyword. So this was all about this series. I hope you must have enjoyed. Please stay tuned and happy learning.